What's the meaning of bejewelled? Bejewelled. Bejewelled.
Bejewelled. Bejewelled. Bejewelled refers to something that is adorned or decorated with jewels, gems, or other precious stones. The term may also be used to describe something that is embellished with sparkling or glittering objects that resemble jewels. This can include clothing, accessories, furniture, and even buildings or landscapes. The use of jewels and other precious materials to decorate objects has been a common practice for centuries, often signaling wealth, status, or cultural significance. While the term bejewelled specifically refers to the use of jewels, it can also connote a sense of opulence or extravagance more broadly.